Hello everybody, this is Jim from Gamers and Graphite, and today we're going to be reviewing the foldable wireless keyboard by iClever. The reason why this item interested me was because as a writer, I like to write on my phone using the Word or other kind of apps out there. And typically, when you're writing on your phone, it's kind of tough to kind of write fast and effectively. And the iClever keyboard was described as a very small kind of foldable keyboard where you can take it and go. So we're going to be reviewing it and putting it to the test. So let's open it up. Comes in a very nifty little pouch. Warranty card. As always, you got your little manual here, but we don't ever look at the manual. We got little footy things, that's cool too. And it comes with your basic USB charger. It was described as having I think it was like 25 or 40 days of charge once it's fully charged. I just got this today, so I don't know if there's going to be any charge to it or not. It's a nice pouch. Good for travel. Huh. It's magnetic. Keeps it all folded down. There it is. You have the keyboard, of course, and of course this is reversed because of the camera angle. Now, I have pretty big fingers, and so the thing for me is the fact that, well, you know, you got to have ample space for your fingers when you're typing, and this feels pretty decent. So let's connect this to my phone. It is Bluetooth, so we have to turn the Bluetooth on. If this has any charge, I think it does have charge to it. We will turn it on. I'm assuming you press the blue button and C for Bluetooth. Oh, yep, you can see the blue working. And iClever. Connected. That was pretty simple. We're going to go back up into my Word program. And we're going to type in hello, not cello world. Autocorrect. Hello world. This is my review of the iClever foldable keyboard. So far, it looks like it was worth the money. If you can read backwards, that's what it says. It's very nice. The Bluetooth, there's really no lag between when I'm typing and when it shows up. Some of the keyboards that I've had over the course of my writing career is when the Bluetooth kind of lags, and then you're stuck waiting for the program to catch up. This is not the case, however. The keys feel really great. It feels like a keyboard. The thing that I will have to say I'm not accustomed to is the backspace being right there. Normally it feels like it should be about right here, so I have to reach a little bit further up. Let's see how this looks in comparison to an actual keyboard. So if we line up where the A should be, I mean, it's a little shorter, but nothing to really throw you off. And then when you're done, just fold it up. And then as far as size, this is an iPhone 6S, I believe. And it's about the same size. If you stack it on top of each other, if you're worried about your keyboard being too little, look at that. Now, it would have been kind of interesting, it would have been kind of neat if the case was able to fit the iPhone as well, but that's not anything. I'm not going to put that against the review of the keyboard. Overall, guys, this keyboard on Amazon was about $30, and I could see it being worth the money if you're going to be traveling around with the keyboard and doing typing on your phone. You can type on your tablet, and I believe you can even type on your computer using this. So if you're one of those guys that prefers somebody else using your keyboard compared to somebody else's keyboard, this would be the way to go. So definitely, if you're looking for a good keyboard that's easy to use, small, compact, and it doesn't. There's no lag with the Bluetooth. I would say the iClever foldable keyboard is worth your $30. So, if you guys have experiences with this, or you think there's another keyboard out there that's better, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like or a comment if you like this video. Thanks, guys.